This is another little gem found on eBay, and got my price for it. Beautiful little case. This is a 1966 Truetone Transistor Radio, model DC 3715, in this beautiful little case. Came with a headphone, earbud. Measures 2 1/4 by 2. And someone in the forum said that it even comes with a real diamond. Whether or not it's real, I don't know. But it has an earbud jack, on-off volume, and a tuning dial. It has a 517 in Japan on the back. Don't know what those numbers mean. I'll open it up here so you can see the insides. Takes 2 mercury or alkaline cells, 2 of these very unusual batteries. They are 1.3 volts each for a total of 2.6. I've got them wrapped here neatly in a little sleeve. So there's the antenna. I replaced a couple of capacitors back inside there to get it to work. And let's tune it up, fire it up. Of course, I'm inside the Faraday cage, and I have it hooked. This is playing off of my AM radio station here in the shack, which I'm going to feature shortly. But I just had to show you this sweet little AM radio.
He was self. Somebody help me. Yeah, Fred Montana, by the way, will join us later. He's been on. Carolina. By the way, if you live anywhere in North Carolina, heck, if you live anywhere in the United States of America.
And somebody please tell me that that's a real diamond. It's real. You don't even know. Of course, Japan is the greatest producer of diamonds, so we could expect no less. Truetone model DC 3718, a 1966 model that is 54 years old.